Here is how to change resolution in Apex Legends. Changing your resolution means you're used to playing a different resolution from different games and is much more comfortable playing that way, or you have FPS problems and you want to change your resolution to boost your FPS. Here is how to do it. Open up your game and load into the lobby. Once you're in the lobby, open the game menu and click on Settings. Go to the Video tab, and here you can see the resolution. Select the option that you want. Lower resolution can boost FPS and make your gameplay smoother, especially on lower end PCs. Higher resolution makes the game look sharper and clearer, but can affect the performance. Test different resolutions and choose the best balance between visuals and performance. And that is how you change resolution in Apex Legends.